This is an instructional video on how to unload the pallet loads of bags from inside the new loading frames that are being shipped inside the loading frames to take advantage of the empty space and to make it more economical for transportation to get both the loading frames and the bag to the customer. We've made a couple of changes in order to unload the bags from the loading frame safely, and one of the things that we've done is to add lifting straps through the pallet on the bottom of the pallet that the bags are strapped to. We've added lifting straps around there so that you can simply put the lifting loops over the tines of your forklift and lift the entire pallet out of the loading frame in one piece and set it back down on the pallet that it was banded to originally. So a couple of the things that are different about taking them out this way, taking the bags out of the loading frame this way, would be a small safety device that we've added to the loading frame to protect against opening too far when you loosen the tensioning chain to give more space available and more freedom for the pallets to be removed. The first thing you'll want to do is to loosen the tensioning chain to its full loosened position as far as it will go and as loose as it will be. That will allow all four walls to free up more space and more freedom to lift the pallets out, which should be no problem. One of the things that we've added is a small addition to the safety chain that was built into the package, built into the loading frame to begin with. Normally, this barrel clasp would attach here to limit the amount of opening that any one wall can open when you loosen the tensioning chain. We have added a few inches and a clevis or another barrel bolt in order to allow the corners to open more, to give more freedom for taking the two pallets out of the loading frame by using the lifting straps overhead. One of the things that we would prefer or ask that you do, once the two pallets are completely removed from the loading frame, and this needs to be done after the loading frames have been removed from the flatbed truck and placed on the ground before beginning to loosen the tension or to lift the bags out. That needs to be done from a ground position, not from the back of the flatbed truck. And once you're done, once you've loosened the tension, you've lifted the two pallets out with the lifting straps, and you have gone to retighten the tension back to normal, we would ask that you please unscrew the clevis or the barrel bolt and remove the additional amount of safety chain that we have added simply for transit and reattach the original safety chain with the original barrel bolt, this bringing the loading frame back to its original design and safety factor. If there are any questions about this, we ask that you please give a call to Strategic Packaging Systems at 423-545-9505. You can simply discard this chain and this clevis or barrel hook. It has no function after the transit is complete and the bags have been removed from the frame.